Anime. Either you love it, or you're a Twitter user and you absolutely hate it. Spring season of anime has started fairly recently, so there's a lot of anime that I need to start. This season looks pretty strong, but I'll have to wait until July to see if that statement is true or not. For now though, it's time to watch. But I decided that for this season, why not spice it up? For past seasons, I've been watching on my iPad, and for sure it's a great experience, but now that I own the Vision Pro, why not take advantage of the virtual windows and high-resolution displays to watch my stuff? Jumping right in, the most common way people would most likely watch anime on the Vision Pro is with the Crunchyroll app. It was one of the first apps to come to the Vision Pro, and they've actually done a stellar job with the user experience, making it easy to search for a particular series and watch it. While watching an anime, all of the Vision Pro features are supported, like dimming the environment around the screen, and being able to make the screen as huge as possible. The app also resizes based on the aspect ratio of the anime, so there's no black bars if you're watching the older One Piece episodes, even though it's 4:3. Personally, I don't really enjoy Crunchyroll. I mean, it's gobbled up most of its competitors, and many of my favorite anime aren't available on it. I'll call a spade though and say that this app is really well done, and it's a pretty great way to watch your favorite anime, like School Days. And there's also this cute cat hidden around the app, so you know, I'll let bygones be bygones. In terms of what I use for watching anime on the Vision Pro, I actually use Chroma, which is an app that lets me watch my Plex content with ease. If you don't know, Plex is a way to watch the TV shows and movies that are already stored on your computer, and I've been using it for more than a year now to watch my content. Before the headset even came out, Plex said that they weren't going to be creating a native app for it, but that you could still use the iPad app on the Vision Pro. I've been using Chroma, made by developer Andrew Bauman, which has the same exact features that a native version of Plex would have, like watching shows and stuff. It even has a whole cinema that I've been using every time I watch anime, since the screen is so large and it's the closest thing we have to big screen on the Vision Pro. In the post on Reddit where the developers showed off the app, many people were unfairly attacking it, mainly because of the $3 a month subscription, and the fact that the iPad Plex app already exists on the Vision Pro. The subscription point is fair. I mean, even I scoffed a bit at having to pay a subscription instead of a flat fee. However, the iPad app point is pretty dumb in my opinion, since the Plex app has these big black bars on the top and bottom for most content that you watch since it's iPad resolution, and the UI is pretty unintuitive for the Vision Pro. Chroma, while it does have some bugs, is the best way to watch Plex stuff, and for me, any content in general, like anime. I doubt the developers watching this, but if they are, definitely don't listen to this person on Reddit about how the chairs and lights should be removed from the cinema. Chroma Cinema is great and really immersive because of those things. Anyways, I'll let you all get back to your spring anime watching. Or if you don't watch anime, whatever it is normal people do. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this one. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and take care.